Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a card to Apple Pay using your iPhone or iPad step by step. So step 1, open the wallet app on your iPhone and then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Step 2, choose the type of card that you want to add, such as credit, debit, or transit card. Step 3, use your camera to scan the card or enter the card details manually, such as card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 4, tap Next and your bank will verify your card. This may include a one-time passcode via SMS or email. Step 5, once you are verified, your card will be added to Apple Wallet and ready for Apple Pay. And you can also follow these steps. And now, you're all set up to use Apple Pay with your new card. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.